Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
As mentioned earlier, if you're listening to me, at the core of the information security management system is the risk management framework. Otherwise, we will be astray. No, we will not be guided kung walang risk management. Imagine implementing a lot of controls, but you don't know why you are implementing such controls. Diba? Mas maganda yung mag-i-implement tayo ng controls with the determination, with the knowledge on why we are implementing such. No? Comes with that knowledge is, of course, the proper implementation, monitoring, and of course looking at the effectiveness of the control. This is the reason on why we do the risk management. Before we do anything else, before we implement any policy, gawa muna tayo ng risk management. And as I promised this afternoon, we will be doing a mini risk management, a walkthrough of the risk management. Now I want you to understand this, because as compliance officer, you need to understand how we built the ISMS for the modular data center. Kasi yung framework, malamang at malamang, yun din yung gagamitin ninyo. No? When the cascade of the information security management system starts for the field officer. So this is giving you a head start. No? An idea, not only an idea, but a practical hands-on exercise on how to do risk assessment. Now, there are 1,001 ways on how risk assessment can be done. No? Mag-Google ka, magsasawa ka. Different methodologies, different framework. What we are doing, what we have for ICPMS is what we call the asset-based risk management. It comes with its own pros and cons. Wala naman talagang ideal na 100% good. No? It comes with its own benefits. No? Ang benefit niya is that this is more thorough, because we are identifying the assets and then asking ourselves, what could go wrong with my information assets? Rather than identifying the risks outright. Baka kasi may makalimutan, no, pag nag-identify ka ng risks outright. So the asset-based risk assessment is more thorough. Okay? Now, in the framework, in the methodology that we use, information assets are categorized into 4. Okay? Into 4. Meron tayong tinatawag na information assets. Ano yung information assets? Where these are your databases. These are your data files. These are your system documentation. These are your SOPs. These are the customer supplied data. Data being provided by the stakeholders, electronically, on paper, pare-pareho yan. Alright? Reports, emails, messages, source codes, logs, employee records, and everything else in between. So pag sinabing information, yan lahat yun. No? And the information in the field offices differs from the other field offices. Doon sa NCR. Diba? Hindi naman, although there will be a lot of similarities, there will also be differences. No? So when we say information, lahat po ito. No? Take note of this, because I'll be asking you to identify the assets once we go to the workshop phase. Okay? Second category, physical assets. Ano yung physical? Tangible things. You can touch, you can feel. Okay? These are the information computing devices, information processing facilities. It could be a workstation, it could be a laptop, it could be a tablet, it could be a smartphone. Basically, pag sinabi natin physical asset, these are the containers of information. containers of information. Kasama dyan yung filing cabinet where you keep the confidential paper documents. Kasama dyan yung mga off-site warehouses ninyo where the paper documents are stored. Physical yun. No? Kaya lang, may boundary tayo dun sa physical asset. Wag na natin i-identify yung mga mousepad. Kung may gumagamit pa nun. Yung mousepad, wag na. Siguro titigil tayo sa printer. Okay? Because some printers are smart enough to store data. Di ba? Merong printer or photocopier, if you print or if you copy a document, the image stays there. Di ba? At kung may marunong kumalikot, ano kaya yung pinotocopy ni Asek? Tingnan ko nga. Di ba? So, merong information security risk doon. So hanggang doon tayo, that's where we draw the line. We're not going to be identifying all of the physical assets. Hanggang doon tayo. Okay? Next, we have software. It could be commercial, off-the-shelf software, mga binibili natin. Again, Palo Alto. I don't know how secure that is. Yung XDR, Cortex. Yung Cortal.
No idea.
Alright? It could be something that is in-house developed. May ganun eh. May mga applications na dinedevelop natin in-house for our own use. It comes with its own risk. Hindi naman pwedeng walang risk yun. No? And then the fourth category of asset is what we call the service assets. No? The service assets are the services that we receive. Ulitin ko. The service assets are the services that we receive, not the ones that we provide. Yung nakukuha natin. For example, internet. Diba? Pag down si telco, apektado tayo. Hindi tayo makapag-social media. Hindi tayo makapag-TikTok. Diba? So there is a consequence if those services are down. Yun ang definition natin. No? It could be the internet, cloud services, telco. No? During the development of the ISMS, I've learned na meron tayo mga third-party maintenance providers for servers, for the UPS system ng data center, for the generator system. Baka meron din kayong mga ginagamit on the field offices ng mga third-party maintenance providers. So identify lahat yun. Okay? Alright. Can you please check if you received the email from George?
Sa G-Space, please.
Sa
G-Space po namin.
Sa G-Space, right? There is an Excel file there. Yun ang gagamitin natin. Kung mag-share yan, 16 na. Three groups.
Per island.
Per? Ano ba island?
Luzon. Ay, kasi one group.
George, let's do a quick grouping.
Yes. Ilang mo group, sir?
One group, three offices.
1-3, 1-3 tayo. Count.
Yun na lang, yung magkakatabi na lang para din lumipat.
Tayo pa din. 1 minute. Second room.
One group 3. One group 40. Ano sabi ko?
Oh, gusto niyo ba ganyan? O magbibilang pa tayo? Tatayo pa kayo?
Kami
Ay, si Ma'am Jem?
Alin po?
dito sa amin na si Ma'am. Para kami.
Sige. Iwan daw ako. Hindi ako pwede maiwan aeroplano.
So, kilala niyo yung mga groups niyo? Sa group niyo?
Uusap na.
Pakilala daw. Balik na kung wala akong link.
Kaya sir,
Sir George, wala pa si Susie.
Sorry, sorry.
Oo, apat. Yung isa rin yung apat na lang.
Apat.